So we are having a great shoot day. It's just first of many, and we've done some amazingly beautiful shots. We've shot some chicken curry, we've shot some soup and some kebabs, and now we're just breaking for some lunch. And guess what? On these shoot dates, they're the best lunches because you get to eat all the stuff that's just been cooked for the shoot. I'm gonna try some of the curry. Just go ahead. Just setting up the shot for the date and chana dal barfi. It's beautifully presented by Emily, and we've got some silver leaf on field and some almonds on field to show you that you can, present it either ways. This is how the storyboard is looking right now, and we have already done all these beautiful shots. More to come. Hope you've enjoyed this little behind the scenes video, and I cannot wait for you guys to get your copies and start cooking and enjoying these incredible recipes that I've made for you in Chetna's Healthy Indian.